Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar on Macau. My name is Disha Shah and I will be your host for today's session. I would now like to welcome our speakers for the day. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Dency Matthew, India Account Head for Macau Government Tourist Office, Ms. Divya Dave, Trade Manager for Macau Government Tourism Office in India, and Ms. Abegal Divecha, PR and Digital Marketing Manager for Macau Government Tourism Office in India. We are so glad that you have all gathered here to share your insights on Macau. Before we get into the presentation part, let me just give you a few housekeeping notes. Please note that all attendees are on mute mode and the webcam is turned off by default. If by any technical glitch your webcam is turned on, please turn it off immediately and log out of the system and restart your browser. Those of you who are attending this webinar using their mobile phones, please use the same in landscape mode for better viewing experience. If you experience any issue like mixing of audio or lag, please check your internet connection and refresh the browser. Most problems get resolved by simply refreshing your browser or web page. If the issue still persists, try logging out of the system and restarting your browser. If you are experiencing low internet speed when any video is being played, you might get a pop-up saying click for audio. In case if you have any queries during the presentation, please type them in the Q&A tab which has opened up on the right corner of the screen inside the webinar's control panel. This control panel can be minimized or maximized. We have some exciting prizes for all of you. All you need to do is to participate in the live quiz after the presentation. We will show you how to answer the same using the Q&A tab in your control panel. Winners will be announced shortly after the webinar. Lastly, in order to ensure that the webinar is an engaging experience for all of you, we have a set of interesting poll questions to keep your information on Macau up to date. Before we move on to the presentation now, I would like to introduce Ms. Matthew to say a few words. Over to you, Dency.
Everyone. Unfortunately, I have some technical issues, which is why I can't switch on my camera. But I'm glad to be here today and to know that we have such an outstanding audience today. Thank you all for joining us. I'm sure you've all heard about Macau as a destination, but not sure how many of you know in depth about the destination and know that Macau has a lot more to offer than just hotels and casinos. So through this webinar, we want to share as much information and knowledge about the destination. And we hope the webinar is useful for you all. And we wish and hope and pray to see you sell and visit Macau soon. Thank you so much again for joining us today.
We would now like Ms. Divya Dave to take over the presentation part.
Hello, everyone. Very good afternoon, and thank you each and everybody for attending this webinar. I'm sure you're going to win some exciting prizes, giveaways at the end of this session. And to keep the session little interactive with the viewers and our great trade partners, we've just kept something like poll. So you have to answer there will be a pop-up which will come up, and you need to answer the questions which I'll be as and when we start, you will understand that. But if you have any queries, as Disha mentioned, you can drop in on the question and answer tab. So to start off with, experience Macau your own style. That is our tagline. Why it is our tagline, I will take you through the entire presentation for better understanding. But just to give you a few examples in the start, basically you can enjoy shopping in Macau. It is known as a foodie's paradise. So you get to experience different types of cuisines in Macau. You get to experience mixed culture of Asia as well as Europe when you're in Macau. Moving on to why Macau. Why will you tell your clients to opt for their next travel destination to Macau? Firstly, I would just like to speak about the picture, what you can see on this slide. So, this is a little bit of a landscape of Macau, and this is one of the iconic monument in golden color in the form of lotus shape. It is one of the oldest hotels, Grand Lisboa Hotel. Coming back to why Macau. Firstly, it is a visa free destination for Indians. You, as well as your clients, do not have to stress for visas and so much of paperwork at all. It is a short holiday destination. Secondly, as I mentioned earlier, it's a destination of mixed culture. You can see a lot of Asian culture along with a lot of European culture. On the left hand side, what you see is ruins of St. Paul, whereas on the right hand side, what you see is a monastery, a temple, and that gives you a lot of Chinese influence. So basically, the destination has got mixed culture of Asia as well as Europe. Macau is known for its luxury and glamour. I'm sure most of you would know. As you can see in this picture, it is a famous Cotai strip in Macau. And this is what Macau looks like in the night. It's all lit up around, it's all glamorous. And like people say, it is known for its luxury and glamour. To continue and make this session a little interesting, we'll just come up with first poll question. I would request everybody to participate and please feed in their answers. It's good to see so many people participating, so many trade partners participating in this poll. Moving on, modern infrastructure. It has got modern infrastructure. I would say it has got very modern infrastructure. It has got great connectivity, bridges, easy taxi facilities. Most of the hotels have Wi-Fi. What all you require is easily available in the destination. Infrastructure wise, I would like to highlight this point that it is very well developed and forward. As I mentioned earlier, it's a foodie's paradise. So all kind of cuisines from Japanese, Chinese, French, Italian, Indian. You think of the cuisine in the mind, and it is available in the destination. Now I will tell you a bit about Macau as a destination. Well, languages spoken are Cantonese and Portuguese, but English is also widely spoken in Macau. Most of the signboards have English written on it. So communication is not an issue at all when you're in Macau or when your clients are in Macau. Currency wise, MOP, which is known as Macau Pataka, is an official currency. However, Hong Kong dollars are widely accepted in Macau. And time zone wise, Macau is 2.5 hours ahead of Indian Standard Time. Now, again, this is one of the image of Macau fireworks, which takes place every year. Last year, because of the situation going around, they did not celebrate it. But things are improving and the borders may open soon. To tell you a bit of connectivity via air, currently one of the best ways to connect to Macau is via Hong Kong, as most of the people would know. There are direct flights to Hong Kong from about 6 Indian cities. However, this might be subject to change because of the situation going around. But I'm just giving you the stats of what it was before. To Hong Kong, there are direct connections by Cathay Pacific, Air India, SpiceJet, Indigo, and from the respective cities of India. The best way is you fly in Hong Kong from the cities in India, and then you take a ferry to Macau from Hong Kong airport itself. So if you're not entering Hong Kong, you do not need a PAR. You can directly luggage tags your bag from the Indian City airport, wherever you're boarding your flight from, and you can directly pick up your baggage from Macau ferry terminal. So you do not have to stress for your luggage at all if you are taking this route. So moving on to the next poll question and making this webinar interesting. Oh, great. So I can see as 99% of people have answered the question correct, and I'm so happy about it. So these are the ferries that operate between Hong Kong and Macau, Kotai Waterjet and Turbojet, very comfortable ferries. It takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour of ferry ride from Hong Kong to Macau. But if your clients do not wish to take a ferry, or they say, no, we do not want to go by ferry, everybody goes by ferry, you can give them as an option to fly directly to Macau. You can fly to Bangkok through Thai Airways and then take Air Macau. Similarly, you can take Singapore Airlines and then take Scoot Airlines. So if your clients are taking this route, you can also suggest them to merge their itineraries with Bangkok plus Macau, Singapore plus Macau. We had started promoting these kind of itineraries from late 2019, but and we were getting good response, but because of the COVID scenario, now as the destinations aren't working, but we are planning to promote these kind of itineraries because it will be a great mixture. So you can design the itineraries, make fixed departure itineraries including Bangkok plus Macau and Singapore plus Macau. If neither of these work, you can also tell them to come through road, the newly opened bridge in late 2018, which is called as Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge, a 55-kilometer long bridge. It basically connects Hong Kong, Macau, and China. However, to transfer to Macau through this bridge, your clients will need a valid PAR. So, speaking some in detail about this bridge, it is also an architectural and engineering marvel. Tickets can be easily bought either at Hong Kong bus stop or at Macau bus stop. There are shuttle buses that operates between Hong Kong and Macau. You cannot take your private vehicles on this bridge. If you wish to, you have to take special permits for the same. So, what is Macau all about? It is an easy destination to walk and explore. It's not a huge destination, so it can be easily covered on foot. You can cover most of the attractions on foot. Some of the main attractions are Amma Temple, ruins of St. Paul, Lighthouse, Senado Square, Macau Tower. All of these can be explored easily on foot. So I'm sure everybody is aware about this famous Bollywood actress. As you can see in this slide, she's getting clicked right in front of ruins of St. Paul. Fatima Sana Sheikh, who has worked in movies like Dangal and Thugs of Hindustan, she visited Macau in late 2019. And as you can see, she's getting clicked right in front of ruins of St. Paul, which is known as the most photographed monument of Macau. Some of the other attractions that you can suggest your clients, or maybe include in the fixed departure itineraries if you are designing some, the House of Dancing Water, which takes place at the City of Dreams Hotel. It is these shows are ticketed shows, but will give your clients an amazing experience. The shows are about 1.5 hour, but the family, if you have a group of family, you can suggest them to go and opt for 4D Batman show at Studio City. If someone wants to enjoy the House of Dancing Water, you can easily check the availability on the hotel website. You can check the rates on the hotel website. Everything is easily available. Some of the other ticketed shows which you can suggest are the House of Magic at Studio City, 4D Batman at Studio City, Viva La Broadway at Broadway Theatre at Galaxy. But if your clients do not wish to pay and want to opt for some free shows, if they want to enjoy some free shows and they do not want to spend, you can give them these options. These are the free shows for your clients. Fortune Diamond Show, which takes place at the lobby of Galaxy Macau Hotel. Tree of Prosperity, Win Macau, Dragon of Fortune, again at the Win Macau Hotel, Performance Lake, which again takes place at the Win Macau Hotel. Also, to highlight a point about the Win Macau Hotel, it offers a cable car ride. So your clients can choose to enter to the hotel through a cable car ride, which is absolutely free of cost. So if you want to know more in detail about these shows, you can go on the hotel website. There are videos available. You can check that. You can show your clients also that these kind of shows are available. You can opt for that shows, but for the free shows also you need to book the slots. Macau is also known for its nightlife, and there are several nightclubs in the destination, like Club Cubic at City of Dreams, Show House in Studio City Resort, Sky 21 at AI Tower. Many a times, our clients do ask us, can you suggest us some options? You can definitely give them these options. About shopping, as I mentioned earlier, Macau is a best place where you can enjoy a lot of shopping. The famous places to shop in Macau are Senado Square and Red Market. Senado Square, the picture which is on the right hand side, it houses a lot of brands. For some street side shopping, you can recommend your clients to go and visit Red Market. Also, to highlight a point, lot of hotel houses brands, so lot of shopping can be done at the hotel itself. Some major events which you can inform your clients to attend in Macau. One of them is Fireworks Festival. As I showed you the picture earlier also. This takes place between September to October every year. However, last year it was cancelled. Macau Grand Prix, that takes place in November every year. Grand Prix takes place in the city itself, and it is one of the most exciting Grand Prix in the world. Speaking about Light Festival, that generally takes place in December. So in December, the whole of Macau is lit up in light in different venues and in different places. The other major events which you can recommend your clients if they wish to opt for: Dragon Boat Festival, Feast of Buddha, and Lotus Festival. Some more events that you can inform your clients to experience, or if your clients are planning to visit to Macau in the month of December. So December is a great month to be in Macau because you get to experience lot of events: Macau International Marathon, Macau International Parade, International Film Festival and Awards Macau. So again, all these three events takes place in the month of December. To highlight a point about IFAM, it is attended by a lot of Indian celebrities. Bhumi Pednekar had attended it earlier and she even won an award. About spas, as Macau hosts a lot of luxury hotel, there are a lot of spas, jacuzzis, sauna facilities available within the hotel itself. So if your clients do not wish to go out for any sightseeing or just want to relax at the hotel, you can give them as an option that you can enjoy the in-house facilities which hotel provides. So what does Macau has to offer for family fun? If you have a group of families who wish to travel, and you think that what option should we give them, Macau is the best option to give them. So it has got the giant panda pavilion. There are extremely two cute pandas named Kai Kai and Zinzin. So to see the Panda Pavilion, the ticket cost is Macau Pataka 10, which is under INR 100. And for children below 12 years and senior citizens above 65, it is absolutely free of cost. So irrespective of the age, but these pandas are must watch. You should definitely recommend your clients to go and visit the giant panda pavilion whenever they are opting their trip to Macau. Some other fun zone activities which you can recommend your clients to directly go and enjoy are ice skating, bowling center in Kotai, and Planet J theme park. So about the Grand Grand Prix Museum, this is the one which has recently come up. For sports and car lovers, Grand Prix Museum is a place to be. You can suggest your clients to opt because we've recently come up with this. The museum with the theme of racing is not to be missed when you're planning your next trip to Macau. Also, the museum has opened its door for public. So it is a best place where your clients can go and enjoy some free time. There are different museums also in Macau, like 3D museum, sound museum, Taipa House Museum. So about Taipa House Museum, houses where Portuguese used to live many years back is now converted into a museum. So if your clients wish to experience that how Portuguese used to reside in Macau, you can give them as an option to go and visit Taipa House Museum and Macau Museum. About Macau Tower is a place where you can have highest commercial bungee jump in the world. But if your clients say no, they fear of bungee jump, you can recommend your clients for skywalk. You can also recommend them to go and enjoy in 360-degree revolving restaurant, which is at Macau Tower itself. So restaurant basically serves buffet lunches and dinners. It has fixed menu, but it has got a sort of global cuisine. So all type of cuisine from Japanese, Italian, Indian is available at the restaurant. And as it is a revolving restaurant, your clients also get to experience the whole of Macau. So this is again one of the pictures of Fatima Sana Sheikh. She had tried skywalk at Macau Tower. In terms of gastronomy, what does Macau has to offer? So the official cuisine of Macau is called as Macanese cuisine, and it is one of the oldest fusion cuisines in the world. It is a combination of Portuguese as well as Chinese, and these are some must try famous Macanese dishes. When your clients are in Macau, you can definitely tell them to try these options: egg tarts, African chicken, almond cookies, mint cheese, shiradura, and pork chop buns. There are 18 Michelin star restaurants in Macau, and it is a great place to take your family and your loved ones to dine at least once when you're in Macau. So you should always recommend your clients to at least include one lunch or one dinner at one of the Michelin star restaurants. It will be a great experience for them. Indian food is not an issue at all when you're in Macau. You will find a lot of Indian restaurants like Goa Nights, Golden Peacock, Taste of India. Golden Peacock, as you can see on the screen, which is at a famous Venetian hotel, is one of the Michelin star restaurant. You can give this option to your clients, or maybe mice groups also. They cater to all kind of businesses. So if you have a mice group, you can directly speak to them and get good rates, negotiate on the rates, and this is a great restaurant to be at. Best places to stay in Macau: there are a lot of integrated resorts in Macau. So City of Dream, which has 4 chain of hotels: Countdown Hotel, which was earlier known as Hard Rock Hotel, Hotel Morpheus, Hotel Grand Hyatt, Hotel Nua, which was earlier known as Hotel Crown. Or you can tell them to choose Galaxy Macau chain of hotels, Hotel Okura, JW Marriott, Ritz Carlton, Banyan Tree. So about Banyan Tree, I would like to say it has got private pool villas. It is basically the high-end luxurious property of Macau. You can also choose MGM brand of hotels, MGM Kotai and MGM Grand. So I think we should now again come up with one of the poll question to make this webinar interesting for everybody who is attending. I cannot see anybody answering as of now. Oh, great, 100% response. This makes me really happy. So Sands Resort again has 6 chain of hotels, which includes Sheraton Grand, Parisian, which has got a mini Eiffel Tower right in front of it, Hotel St. Regis, Sands Macau, Venetian, as the name goes, gives you an experience of Venice. You can recommend your clients to enjoy gondola ride at the hotel itself, and Hotel Conrad. Again, one of the pictures of Fatima enjoying the gondola ride at the Hotel Venetian. Some of the other places to stay: Hotel Sofitel, Wynn Palace, as I mentioned you earlier, gives your clients an opportunity to enjoy the cable car ride, which is absolutely free of cost. Studio City, which has again got 8 Ferris wheel rides, so your clients can also enjoy this Ferris wheel ride when they are in and around Studio City Hotel. And Grand Lisboa, which is one of the oldest hotels and beautiful hotels of Macau. Also with that, there are a lot of 3-star hotels also which you can recommend your clients. Many a times clients say, it is not fitting in our budget, we want to opt for to go to Macau, but it is going out of our budget with 4-star or 5-star hotels. There are a lot of 3-star properties also: Grand Imperial Hotel, Hotel Metropole, Hotel Rocks, Hotel Victoria. So there are a lot of hotels which you can offer your clients in terms of 3-star category also. The great project led by David Beckham has launched on February 8th, the newly opened London themed resort, the Londonair. The two new all suite hotels, the Londonair and the Londonair Grand. So it basically has 6,000 rooms. So if your clients wish to enjoy the luxurious property and stay in Macau, you can start giving them this as an option once the situation is sorted. Upcoming projects in Macau are the Grand Lisboa Palace. So what does Macau has to offer for MICE and incentive travel? For this, especially for MICE groups, we have a special travel stimulation program, but the criteria is your clients need to have minimum of 2 nights stay in Macau to opt for this program. And it goes this way: if your pax count is between 25 to 39, you opt for first two options, that is tourist information kit and souvenirs. If it is between 40 to 100, you opt for first three options. So the cultural performance, which is also known as the lion dance performance, we opt or give you that absolutely free of cost for the entire group. Similarly, if it is 101 to 300, you can opt for first, second, and the last option. So in the half-day historical city tour, we provide you guide as well as coach for 4 hours absolutely free from our side. It's just that we need a lot of details from your end once the MICE group is confirmed, from which DMC you are doing, all that documentation. You can definitely get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to support you and help you for all the MICE groups. And similarly, if it is 300 plus, you can opt for all the 4 options. So again, we will just have one more poll question. Great. Thank you everybody for participating. So these are some incentive benefits which I was talking about: souvenirs, guidebooks, cultural dance show, which is also known as a lion dance show. So why Macau is an ideal holiday destination for Indian travelers? As I mentioned earlier, it has got city of duality. You can experience Asian as well as European culture. Visa is free and on arrival, so your clients do not have to stress at all for the paperwork. It has got easy connectivity and lot of options for connecting your clients through India to Macau. It has got excellent and modern infrastructure and developing it day by day. Gastronomy, lot of family friendly atmosphere, world class hotels and integrated resorts, grandeur and opulence, lot of shopping options in Macau, in the hotel itself where you're staying, and lastly, it is very safe for each and everybody traveling to Macau. So these are the contact details of myself as well as my senior. You can note it down. We'll be definitely sharing the details across with all of you all, and you will be more than happy to help everybody with each and every single query you have in regards to Macau as a destination. But let me put that across that this is not the end of the presentation. We have an interesting destination video coming up, and after which we'll be having a quiz. So the lucky winners get a chance to get some goodies of Macau. So I would love everybody to participate, and looking forward everybody to give answers as soon as possible. We'll just start with the destination video now.
People here love food. You can Discover new flavors and delicacies at every turn.
Chinese and Portuguese heritage mingles harmoniously.
Tonight you can enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life.
With over 20 international and local events and festivals, excitement happens all year.
Today,
come feel it for yourself.
Today, enjoy your life.
There are countless ways to experience Macau, where you'll feel inspired at every turn.
It blows your mind.
Thank you, everybody. So now, before we start the quiz, I just want to ask all of you all that did you find this session informative? And one last, which is definitely in my bucket list. So is Macau going to be on your bucket list, or maybe are you going to push your clients to opt for Macau as a next travel destination? That's great. So we'll be now starting with the quiz. And for quiz, I would request everybody to answer it in a particular format. So the answer will go as question number 1, bracket, and then the answer. Okay, so I can see few people replying yes, we can start. So yeah, we can start with the quiz now. Thank you, Sargam. Thank you so much. So the first question is, which is the famous UNESCO site of Macau, which is also a church? You cannot Google the answers, you have to type it immediately. Yeah, Sonal has answered properly. Yeah, and many others following her. Okay. So now we've already got Sonal as the first winner for this question. The second question, we'll move on to the second question now. Okay, now I think we'll move on to the second question. Which two ferry companies operate from Hong Kong to Macau? The second question is already out, and I can see many people are still replying for the first question. Great. Second question also, we've got many people who has answered. I have skipped who has given the first answer, but yeah, we'll check on that later on. So now moving on to the third question. Name any 3 popular events which takes place in Macau in the month of December. 3 events which takes place in Macau in the month of December. Not a single answer yet on question 3. Okay, we've got few people who has answered on that. Okay, moving on to the fourth question. It feels so good. Everybody is participating. It is really nice to see that. What are the name of two pandas at the Giant Panda Pavilion? Name the two pandas at the Giant Panda Pavilion. Yes, Param has answered it correct. Kaika and Zinzin. The first answer from Param. I think he is the one who has answered it. So moving on to the last question. Name 3 popular Macanese dishes of Macau. 3 popular Macanese dishes of Macau. You have to name 3, Manish. You've just given me one answer. Yeah, I've got a lot many answers, but yeah, there were messages are coming again and again, so I'm missing some of the answers. But we'll definitely check at the back end, and we will get in touch with you. Winning and losing is secondary, but I'm so happy to inform all of you all. I see that so many people has taken interest and attended the webinar so nicely that they could give answers for all the questions what we had asked, and that matters the most. So these are again contact details. If you want, you can, take a screenshot or jot it down, and you can ask me any questions if you have in regards to the webinar. We are moving to the question answer round now. So moving out of the question answer round. So if you have any queries, you can drop your queries on the chat box. I'll be more than happy to address it. So presentation, you can download the presentation from Hangouts option. Ajay, if you can just get that done, we can inform everybody to download the presentation right away. So there's an option of handouts. You can see a red light over there, a red dot over there. You just have to click on that and you can directly download the presentation right now. Certification program will be coming up with a new and a better version of certification program. I'm just reading the questions one by one. I think I'm missing a lot of questions. Currently, Macau has not opened its border, Devik, but we hopefully once the scenario is okay, to just inform you all, Macau is a COVID-free destination, but they have not opened their borders for Indian passport holders as of now because of the situation going on in India and the rises of cases. But once we get any kind of update, we'll definitely share across with all of you all. Macau Tourism Office in Jyoti Malhotra, you want the contact detail of someone from Macau Tourism Office in Delhi. You can contact us. You can share your details on the mail. We will get in touch with you. Presentation everybody can download from handouts option. Yes, Bhavya Diwan, we'll definitely address you the latest updates, and we'll also share you the monthly newsletters, what we've been making on giving the updates about Macau with all of you all. Kushnur, tourism board do not do the bookings. The booking has to done through the DMC partners. But if you have any queries, if you need any suggestions in regards to the itineraries for MICE groups or leisure, you can get in touch with us. Manish Saini is asking me, when do you think Macau will open borders? I am actually out of that answer, because hopefully if by end of this year the scenario gets better, they will definitely open. They are more eager to welcome us than we are to travel over there. So definitely I think hopefully the situation should get better by December, but right now we do not have any answer for that. Abbas will definitely share the guideline of traveling to Macau with you once we get an update from the head office. Pratiksha, yes, we'll be definitely sharing the DMC list. We have the DMC list. There are a lot of DMCs, local DMCs of Macau, which can cater to your FIT, GIT, and MICE requirements. We'll share all the details across with you. Vedant, thank you so much. So Sandeep Kadam, for MICE and incentive groups, once your group is finalized, once you have done the bookings from your DMC partners, as in once you have finalized your hotel, yes, you have to get in touch with us, and we, there are a lot of things, details what we need in terms of MICE group. So you can write to me on this email address. I will explain you everything in detail, one-on-one. We can have a conversation. Vimi, thank you for downloading the presentation. Oh, I see Mayur writing as I got disconnected. So Mayur, you can download the presentation from the handout option. And if you need any information, if you need any clarification or anything in terms of Macau as a destination, you can write to us on this email address and we'll be more than happy to help you. Mr. Chandrasekhar, yes, for the fam trips, but let the borders open up. We will definitely think over it, and we will get in touch with all of you all. Ajay, I think many people are facing issues of downloading. They are not able to download the presentation. Can you please look into that? Thank you, Mr. Balasubramaniam. So Amit Jain, there are a lot of Indian restaurants in Macau. Goa Nights, Golden Peacock. You can just Google and you can check it. There are a lot of Indian options. If you need detailed information, you can write it to me. I will share the list of Indian restaurants which are in Macau with you. Thank you, Krupa. Ajay, I think many people are not able to download this webinar, the presentation.
Presentation. You it's available in the Indian web.
You just have to click on the handouts option and then click on download. you'll be able to download the presentation. And the
Because in
one,
Macau, yes, you.
Dancy, we're not able to hear you clearly. Can you please repeat? Oh, I think Dancy is facing some network issues, and that is the reason. I think she was just addressing us the issue of how we can download the presentation. So the ones who cannot, who are not able to download the presentation, you can write to me on mumbai@macautourism.in. I will definitely share the presentation with you. Yeah, winners of the quiz will be announced shortly. We will get in touch with all of you all. The ones who obviously are the winners will get in touch with you. I would like to thank each and everybody once again for taking out time and participating in this webinar. It was really an interesting interactive webinar for us as well. And also, please take a note on the details. We'll be more than happy to help you, serve you whenever, whatever possible ways we can. Looking forward to have these kind of webinars in the near future with all of you all. So to download the PPT, you have to go on the handouts option. I again repeat, handouts option, and then you have to download it. There is a preview option, and if you click on preview, then also you'll be able to download. If you directly click on download, you'll be also able to download. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, everybody, for all your time. Thank you. So with this, it was an end of the presentation, and it was a really great time myself and my entire team had with all of you all. I've started getting emails also, which is a very good thing. It feels so good that the agents, our trade partners, are taking so much of efforts to get all the details. We'll definitely share all the details with all of you all.
Thank you, Divya, Densi, Abigail, and the Macau Tourism team for giving us this opportunity to host this webinar. Thank you to all our attendees for being present and being so interactive across the polls, quiz, and Q&A rounds. Thank you. Thank you so much.